Hello, and this is how to make some things for a picnic basket or a dishwasher for American Living. Hold on, I have to find it here. I did it for my dad. Because it was in recycling, and I brought it downstairs with me to get my laundry. And he started to come into the laundry room, so I hid in the hamper. Because he doesn't like me taking things from the recycling. Anyways, it's a strawberry basket. You know these things you can get at the grocery store to buy strawberries? I also have a smaller one for blueberries, but I have to eat up the blueberries first. Anyways, but you can use this for either a picnic basket or a dishwasher. Like, you put it like this in the dishwasher. So you just open it up, and like the one end of the plate could go here, like in this hole, and then the other end could go in this hole. So yeah, weird. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for yet. I might use the smaller one as a picnic basket and this one as a dishwasher. Or I might use the smaller one as a dishwasher and the bigger one as a picnic basket. But I think I should use the small one as a picnic basket because I don't know. Anyways, so that's what you use for like a dishwasher or a picnic basket. So thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. Bye.